very important that you set up the SleepHub correctly. And the easiest way to do this is to have, if you're able, a speaker on each side of the bed. Now, they need to be positioned with the speakers facing in towards you. And if you don't have bedside tables, it can go on a chair or it can go on the floor, but with enough distance that you can still hear the device. And the control unit can go anywhere. I actually don't keep it on my bedside table. I keep that on the floor and I can work it from there. So you'll have two speaker cables. One is the short cable. This needs to go in whichever is the nearest end to your controller unit. And you will see on the back here that you have two plugs and you just need to put one in there and one in the plug there, corresponding on the same color. And then just repeat the process with the much larger cord that goes into here again. And as I'm doing this all on the desk, I'm not going to undo it. And we put that one in there. Then it's a straightforward plug in and play. So we plug our device in very much like any computer and get our power in the back here. We'll get those out of the way and that will come on in a minute. So really important you have these speakers facing in so you can hear them, and really where this controller unit goes doesn't matter at all. And what will happen is the first time that this comes on, your device will come on and now it will ask you very simply to slide to sleep. The device is really intended to be on Wi-Fi. So it's a standard Wi-Fi setup as you would with any device. If you don't have Wi-Fi, that's fine. But what you'll need to do is to go into the settings and set the time manually. So we come onto the main screen here. As with most devices, the setting button is a standard icon. And if you want to go in and set up the wireless, you click on the wireless button here, and you can. One of the things that this device will do is it will allow you to play your music through the speakers. So you can set up your Bluetooth, but for this one, we're talking about the wireless, and you just need to press the button. It will be a standard screen, as I'm sure you've done on many of your devices. You just need to input once your Wi-Fi setup code, and then it will work. Now, for new devices, and I'd actually set this one up before, so it's already updated, you may well find that it asks you to update. All you need to do is agree, and that will then update on the system, and you'll have the latest version.